this is Ilakshi Paliwal. I welcome you in RES News. Starting with some headlines, some school news. The annual examination from class PG to class 9th and 11th are going on. The annual exam result declaration will be held on 29 March 2024. CBSE related news. CBSE has no right to stop students from entering exam hall after issuing admit card. Delhi High Court. Open book exams for new adaptive OS. National news. PM Modi to attend Pokhran war game showcasing. Prolonged draw over traditional land over ownership at Nagaland Manipur border in focus. Some international news. Donald Trump wins Republican polls in 3 US states engaged toward nomination. Israel strike hits refuse tents near Rafah hospital, 11 killed. Some entertainment news. Deepika Padukone, Ranveer Singh performed on Galna Gudiya at Anant Ambani Radhika pre-wedding event. Manisha Rani wins Jhalak Dikhla Ja 11 and rupees 30 lakh prize money. Some sports news. Ankita Raina to lead Indian challenge in Genie King Cup. Messi and Lucy scored twice as Inter Miami hit 5 past Orlando City. Some educational news. Qatar Films plan to invest in agri startups and educational sectors. Government ties up with industry for youth skill development. Some other news. PM Modi to chair Council of Ministers meet today ahead of Lok Sabha polls. 3 deaths after car goes out of control hits divider then rams truck in Delhi Badhapur. Let's meet after a short break. Let's have a look on our details. The annual examination 2023-2024 session have been started from the March 2nd and are currently running. The annual examination result declaration will be held on 29 March as method the notice. Let's have a look on our details. Some school news. The annual examination 2023-24 session have been started from the March 2nd and are currently running. The annual examination result declaration will be held on 29 March as mentioned in the notice and the new session will start from 1st April. CBSE related news. After issuing the admit card, CBSE has no right to stop a student from entering the examination hall after issuing the admit card according to the Delhi High Court. OB has students referring to notes, textbooks, other study material during an exam. The assignments focus on a student's understanding of the subject and his or her ability to analyze or apply concepts rather than testing memory, the ways and hows rather than the whats and when. Some national news. On the eve of the notification of the 2024 general election, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend the war game Bharat Shakti in Pokhran in Rajasthan on March 12. Within the exercise only involves developed weapons platform and systems. A decades-old traditional land ownership disputes between the Naga tribal communities of Nagaland and Manipur has come into focus after this matter was raised in the recent State Assembly session, with the state government assuring that it would protect the traditional land of the people. Some international news. Donald Trump on Saturday ahead in quest to become the Republican Party's presidential nominee with an international party election in 3 states, US media reported. The health ministry in Humaza-run Gaza said Israel strike hits tent housing displaced civilians near a hospital in the southern city of Rafah Saturday, killing 11 and wounding dozens. Some entertainment news. Deepika Padukone and her husband Ranveer Kapoor performed a dance at pre-wedding of Anant Ambani and Radhika. Manisha Rani became the winner of season 11 of Jhalak Dikhla Ja and received rupees 30 lakh as the prize money as reported by India Today. Ashutosh Parwa, her choreographer, got a cash prize of 10 lakh rupees. Both Manisha and Ashutosh won a trip to Abu Dhabi, Iceland. Some sports news. New Delhi, India's top single players Ankita Raina is set to lead the country's channel in upcoming Jane King Cup, scheduled to take place in China next month. Inter Miami trashed Orlando City 5 major league score on Saturday. Messi and Luis were the stars of the match, both scoring 2 goals each. Some education news. Members of Qatar royal family and chairman of a financial service company Sheikh Mansour bin Khalifa Al Thani on Saturday announced plans to explore agriculture stars up and education sectors in India investment. Education and Development Skill Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on Thursday launched an initiative for improving India's Yuva Shakti to give a fresh impetus to skill development of youth. Some other news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair a meeting of Union Council of Ministers on Sunday in Delhi, a day after the BJP announced its first list of candidates for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. 3 people died and 4 others were injured after a car collided with a truck coming on Badarpur flyover in Delhi late on Saturday night. That's all for today. Be with Arya's news channel. Till then, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.